So guys, this is what we are going to be expecting for today on our GBP USD. So first thing first, to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you would not miss out on any single updates. Now let's start with the trend right here on our GBP USD. So guys, before you take a trade, first thing, you need to know what the trend is, right? Second, you have to trade with the trend. Now let's zoom it out. Now you can see that we've highlighted some key levels right here on our daily time frame. This will help us. This is it. We've highlighted some key levels on our daily time frame, right? Then this is also another key level, which is our resistance zone, right? Now, if you pay attention to what markets is doing right here, markets literally was able to come up, rally up to tap our resistance. Then it rejected from the resistance and dropped back to tap our support. Market also rejected from the support, came back to tap our resistance. Also rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap the support. Rejected from the support and came back to tap the resistance. Rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap the support. Eventually rejected from the support and came back to tap the resistance. Now, if you take a look at what market is doing, so market is now rejecting from the resistance. So of course we should expect it to continue till it is able to tap the support level, right? That is to tell you that a bearish move is what we should be expecting, right, on our GBP USD. Now, but when you go down to your 4-hour time frame, you can see this to be your lower low. This is your lower low, and this is the lower high. Market was able to drop again to give a new lower low, right? Then this is the lower high. Market eventually did give us this massive low, which is the new lower low, and here comes the lower high right here. So this is the lower high. With this lower high, we should be expecting market to drop till it is able to take out this low, thereby forming a new lower low. So guys, a bearish move, right, is what we should be expecting. But remember, we need a confluence and we need a confluence, right? Let's see if possibly you can draw the trend line, which is not. So one thing we would want to be doing is, let's see if markets can come back to push up one more time till it is able to hit this level right here. You can see, let's zoom it in. So this level right here. So if let's say markets can push up one more time to tap this level, from that level, then we will now start looking for a sell setup that will eventually make markets withdraw. So above all, we will still be anticipating for the same, but let it give us a bullish move first before we start looking for the sell setup. More update on this will be covered for you guys. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates.